Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome back. Recently I just uploaded my first video in which I talked about my experience in Canada and how I moved, what I felt and all of those experiences. And this video we are gonna basically talk about my first job experience and how it went. What exactly did I do in order to get my job? The moment I landed in Canada, how did I exactly feel? So all of those things will be included in today's video. It was March 27th. That's when I basically moved to Canada. That was the day I landed. One of the weirdest feelings, everything was mixed, confusing feelings थी बहुत ही ज़्यादा because I was happy, at the same time I was missing my home, and that 13 hours of flight from India to Canada, I just did something that I just cannot relate this to anything at all because I never experienced this before. When I landed there, I am very grateful that my brother was already in Canada, so he was the one who basically picked me up from there, and that's where I started my journey from. Alright, and then we just came home, and that was my first experience living with so many other people. Not so many, I'd say. I think it was around 4 students we were sharing the room with, and then I had one of my room partners, and then my brother had another room partner. Looking for jobs क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा overwhelming हो गया था. I had to get distracted. I had to decide कि okay, I need to get into something. I need to work now so that I do not get much emotional about things and I really get my mind into something, and I will for sure get to explore so many new things if I just start from somewhere. But to be very honest, it just took me 2 weeks to get my first job in Canada. I know a lot of people talk that it's not easy to get a job in Canada. Even when I moved there, उस time पर भी it was like you were not able to get jobs, but you can get jobs, and trust me when I say that you can do it. मेरा campus start ही नहीं हुआ था in person because of COVID era. मेरा कुछ semester went already in India, and then when I came here I got to know that 1 month is still gonna be online only. And I stayed in Brampton only because मेरा जो college था it was in Barrie. That's another city which is really nice as well. But I didn't move there because I was like, there's no point to move there yet. So I just stayed within Brampton with my brother and thought to explore some opportunities over there. Basically, Brampton में बहुत agencies हैं. You'll see so many factories, number of factories. People are doing so different types of work over there, and no one is ashamed of anything. I'll just tell you my experience, कैसा मेरा रहा and how did I start. My first job was I was applying through Indeed and everything, and then I got some referrals, some numbers, and वहाँ से मैं उन numbers and emails वगैरह होती थी. So I every day used to just text them back. You guys still looking for hiring? Are there any hiring opportunities right now? Or if you're looking for someone. तो वहाँ से मुझे एक call back आया था, and they were like, yeah, they need someone to work at this. घर से basically it was like 1 hour 30 minutes away from where I used to live, and then I was like, oh god, ये traveling कभी हुआ ही नहीं था. I never had this in my mind before. कभी ट्रैवल नहीं किया क्योंकि घर के पास स्कूल एंड ऑल होता था. एवरीथिंग वाज देयर, सो लाइक कम्प्लीटली स्ट्रेंज. एंड देन ऑल ऑफ दोस ट्रांसपोर्टेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, वो सब फिगर आउट करना, एंड देन मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग. वी गोना टॉक अबाउट इट. मेरी फर्स्ट जॉब वाज कि मुझे फ्रूट्स सॉर्ट करने होते थे. सो दे वर लाइक फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स ऑल टुगेदर, एंड वी हैड टू सॉर्ट देम आउट. It was a very large factory, and you probably know कि Brampton में बहुत factories, and a lot of students initially start working from there itself, which is very kind of strange to me, but I didn't really expect कि लोग यहाँ पे भी काम कर रहे हैं. It was one of the experiences. It was not the best job I could have gotten. I'll let you know that a lot of people work in different factories, which is like कि वो factories, which is like we used to watch in India those shows like I put it here, which is like Discovery shows, like how to do it, how do they make it, all of those kind of shows जिसमें हम इतने क्यूरियस होते थे. फैक्ट्री वर्क चल रहा होता था, लाइन वर्क चल रहा होता. पीपल आर लिटरली ऑन देयर सेपरेट लाइन्स एंड they're just packing stuff, that's it. They're not doing anything at all. So it used to look very fascinating कि ये लोग कैसे कर रहे हैं. Same thing I was doing over there, and I started doing over there. It was like fruit sorting. So I used to sort the fruits out. Like they had different types of mangoes, bananas, and all of those things. So we had to just sort them out accordingly. And there were people working in packaging and then delivering as well. So that was another sector of that same factory. वो job like मेरे घर से 1 घंटा 30 मिनट दूर होती थी, and it was very difficult to do that commute. One of the experiences. रोज़ I figured out how to take the bus. bus and everything, क्योंकि सुबह सुबह जाना होता था. And they had 2 timings, morning और evening. It was not kind of a full time or a part time job. It was on call job. So जब उनको ज़रूरत होती थी then they used to call me and then I used to go. तो वहाँ figure out करना bus routes वगैरह. So everyone is busy there. You cannot rely. You cannot be just there for anyone. You have to work it out. Maps होते थे. Used to check on the maps कि क्या directions है, कहाँ bus stop है. And I have done so many mistakes कि बस यहाँ से जा रही होती थी, but I used to stand on the opposite side and then I used to just wait for another bus and then I got to figure things out. It took a while. It takes a while, but you ask questions. You keep asking questions to people who are already there on the bus stand. Quite little learnings that you will get to know. It was 9-hour shift and then रात को होती थी which was like overnight shift. तो मुझे रात को निकलती थी मैं around 8 something PM and then I used to work complete night and I used to come at home in very morning. And उस टाइम पे लोग या सो रहे होते थे या फिर कोई जॉब पे जा रहा है सुबह, क्योंकि you know people who are working overnight, you come home and you're just confused because I had to do that job. Expenses, you have to figure it out. You have to survive once you're there. मुझे 15 minutes break मिलती थी, that's it. For complete 9-hour shift, just a 15-minute break and they did not even say कि it's okay, work on your own या आराम से काम करो. It was never ever like that. It was like कि हाँ जल्दी जल्दी you have to keep on doing, or if you're not doing it correctly they just kick you out of the job. You have to be very vigilant and very proactive in your works. तो वो चीज़ मुझे लाइक यार ये क्या हो रहा है, आई एम जस्ट सॉर्टिंग फ्रूट्स आउट एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग होम एंड देयर इज नो वन टू टॉक एंड वो होम सिकनेस फील होना. एंड देन आपको अपना ध्यान रखना होता था, खाना लेके आना होता था, ग्रोसरी करनी होती थी, फूड खुद बनाना है, कब जाना है, सुबह जाना है, रात को जाना है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग खाना बना के रखो या कुछ लेकर जाओ अपने लिए, ब्रेक में कुछ खाओ वहाँ पे. All of those things, you have to keep yourself hydrated enough, you have to just take care of yourself and you cannot sleep. And then इतनी कम sleep आती थी because of all of those reasons. I just couldn't sleep in the very beginning of my work period. It was just so difficult to get adapted to those kind of situations, but you eventually do. And trust me, जब आप कर लोगे you will feel so relaxed and you will feel so happy कि हाँ आपने start करा. But if you do it on your own, खुद struggle करके खुद आगे निकलोगे, then you'll actually realize what Canada life actually gives you. About the dollar as well, तो मुझे उस टाइम मिलता था बस per hour के हिसाब से, तो बाई वीकली पे आती थी. वहाँ पे मेरा पर डॉलर से स्टार्ट हुआ था, $12 per hour. That's the amount I started from. Then I got used to that schedule. It was बहुत मुश्किल होता है starting में. You really want to give up, but you just keep doing yourself and there will be a point where you will feel कि okay, I did it. I came out of that situation and now whatever it is, it's my freedom and my hard work which is paying me off. Just because of exploitation, it was so quick. तुम्हारा माइंड ही रेस्ट नहीं कर पाता था. You just get 15 minutes of break for nothing at all. But then I eventually left the job. I had to leave it. So उस पूरा week I did not have any job at all. But there's more to what happened next and it's a very interesting story. So subscribe कर लो यार. Let me know how do you guys feel about all of these videos. If you want a specific video or have any questions, any doubts in your mind thinking about Canada, let me know and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.